Hi, I'm Erica, and Circo Innovations has been helping me.
Are you excited to get your starts ready for spring, but your equipment's all broken and old? We have here the mini greenhouse. This is perfect for seedlings and starts. It's lightweight, it's made out of PVC pipe, and it works great. The benefit of having this lightweight mini greenhouse is it allows you to maybe get a table out and put your plants out, follow that sun. Maybe your greenhouse is in a shaded area for part of the season.
Some succulents that do okay outside in the winter. However, they don't like to have a lot of water, and right now they are getting way too much rain and they're getting bogged down. They have dead leaves underneath. I constantly have to move them inside and outside and under the table and under the awning of the house. Now I can take these awesome domes and put it right over my plants.
Now that we've covered our mini greenhouse, we can show you what it looks like covered. We also added a handle here with a snap cross. This allows you to have a handle on top along with the sides. This allows you to put it over easily. And then this handle here is nice for take a look at your plants, slide one in and out. So this mini greenhouse here is 40 inches long. As you see in the picture here, we'll give you the dimensions for this one. Now we're going to transition over to this planter box here. It's a 16 by 16 starter box. We're going to be building a greenhouse that fits just one of these starts boxes here. All right, so I'm going to start off with a 24-inch section of pipe and a four-way. We want one of the four ways coming down and one going up. Pipe you will need is going to be 6 sections cut to 24 inches, 4 sections cut to 17 inches, and 4 sections cut to 6 inches. You're going to need 4 45-degree elbows. You're going to need 2 3-ways and 4 4-ways. You're also going to need a bag of snap clamps. This is going to be the 1/2 inch by 4-inch snap clamps. All right, so what we're doing now is using self-tapping screws to keep this thing tight. We're using them because you might want to be able to take this apart, store it for the off season. You can also use glue if you want this to be permanent. All right, so we have here the 24-inch mini greenhouse. Fits great over this 16 by 16 starter box. Let's look down here at the 4-ways. These 4-way design is a little different than the 3-way, as it gives you an option for extending. You can get a small section of PVC pipe there, and you could raise this thing higher and lower depending on what your needs are. Also, if you want to give your plant some oxygen and some airflow, you could put a small section here in the front and none in the back, and it would allow you to have some airflow where you need it. Okay, now we're going to show you how to cover it with netting here. Okay, so we've got the 24-inch mini greenhouse covered with netting here. We're just going to add our handle grips. So I got that top one with the snap cross, and then we have the long one with the 2 snap crosses. That would just go right here, snapped on. Okay, so that piece that we were talking about here is the snap tab. This is a 1-inch snap tab, and it goes on the table just like this. We suggest having multiple of them behind your mini greenhouses. And basically when you want to open up the greenhouse and it slides back, it keeps it from falling off. So there you go, that's your snap tab.
This design here leaves enough room for a light for cold nights if you get a frost. All right, here you can actually make a small incision for a venting hole if it's too humid. That will allow some airflow in and out. Depending on what types of plants you have inside, you can make multiple air vent holes. The dollar store also has small mini fans if you want to hang a little fan inside and get some airflow. We're ready for spring. No more deer, no more worms.
For more PVC ideas like this, follow our YouTube channel or our blog. You'll see the URLs in the comments below. If you would like to purchase some of our products, go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Thank you for watching.